Hello and welcome to another recipe video from D.A.M.N Fine Foods. My name is Carlin Unger. I'm the social media coordinator here at DFF, and this is my own recipe for a RIP-ROARIN raspberry smoothie. So as the name would suggest, we start off with 2 cups of raspberries, in this case frozen raspberries. You can use fresh or frozen, either will do. The next step is to add a tablespoon, getting ahead of myself. 2 cups of fruit juice is the next step. In this case, grape juice. Really any fruit juice will do as long as you're not mixing, that berry flavor with citrus. Just, feel that out for yourself. And here we go. 1 tablespoon of hemp hearts. That's what I was getting ahead of myself with. Sometimes we add chia seeds as well, just to add a little extra vitamin mineral punch to your morning smoothie. And my favorite part, 2 scoops of frozen yogurt, vanilla, Greek frozen yogurt in this case. I like it because it adds a little extra creaminess, coolness to the flavor. And plus with adding that sweet and spicy RIP-ROARIN raspberry into it, it kind of helps cool off a little bit of that heat and gives you a nice warm finish instead of an overly spicy one. 2 tablespoons I think is just the right ratio for this. It gives you that nice warm finish. Of course, once all the ingredients are in, the next step is to blend it. In this case, I swear, at home, on my blender, that ratio worked just fine. On this blender, it did not want to cooperate. We had some technical difficulties there, but eventually we did get it working, and it did blend just fine in the end. I mean, it's not rocket science, right? And there you have it. One delicious, chilly, yet finished with a little bit of heat, RIP-ROARIN raspberry smoothie. Cue the gratuitous glamour shots. Looking good. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to follow us, like our content on social media, hit that subscribe button now. Sometimes the shoot doesn't go quite according to plan, as with the blender this time. To start off with, we didn't tighten the bottom properly and it started leaking everywhere, and then we're having trouble getting that ratio of juice to fruit to actually blend, but then for a brief, glorious moment, it was working. And then it stopped.